Alright, open Google Chrome or Firefox on your PC. Go to the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons page. Here, search for Easy Video Downloader. Open the first one with arrow icon. Simply click Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, you'll see the extension icon appear in your browser's toolbar. Go to the website that has the video you want to download. Start playing the video so the extension can detect it. Once it detects, click the Easy Video Downloader icon in your browser. A list of detected video files will appear. Select the one with highest quality option. Click the Download button in the bottom right corner. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, open the file and enjoy your video. Make sure to follow copyright laws and only download videos for personal use or when permitted. And that's how you can download protected videos from any website. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or video requests, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.